Alright, today I'm going to show y'all how to use Google Spreadsheet and I'll show you the different things you could do with a Google Spreadsheet. First, of course, you log into your Gmail and go to Google Drive. I'm already on it. Google Drive. And I'm already on Google Drive, so I just create a new one. Go to Google Sheets. Link. We're going to do like a small survey where we talk about name, age, I spell age, and favorite team. And when I say team, I'm talking about basketball and football. First, we're gonna do Kyle, he's 15, and Joe, he's 21. We're gonna do he's 30. 30, we'll say 35. We're gonna do Sam, he's 60. And we're gonna put, well, since we're doing two teams, we're gonna merge these two together. This is how you merge. You highlight the ones that you want to merge, and you go to merge cells on the format. And you merge vertically. Horizontally. I'm sorry. And to make this look better, we're gonna highlight the top row, center it. That's how you do that. If you want to do that, make sure you highlight the top headings that you want to do, and then you go to alignment, and then you click in the middle, center, left, right, however you want to do it. You can also do it for this too, but it doesn't matter. And we're gonna put Ty. Ty's favorite team is the football team is the Chiefs. And Warriors. Okay, I spelled Chiefs wrong. So funny. It's okay though. I'm just making a quick video for y'all. And Joe, he's 21, so he likes Saints and Lakers. Adam, he's 35, so he likes the Bears and Celtics. And then we have the old timer. He likes the Cowboys. And the Bulls. And as you can see, this is having my spreadsheet. We could change the color of it. Just to have a little separation. Fill color. I'm just gonna start off with green. And make all these. I don't know, just I guess a darker green. Make this one blue. I guess a darker blue. And I'm gonna make this one. Let me do orange. Let me do some dark orange. And if you want, it automatically saves for you. You can share it with other people as well. First, of course, I didn't name my spreadsheet. Name my spreadsheet favorite team age. And you can share it with different people. I'll share my backup Gmail. And we could do experiment age and team. Just let them know what type of thing it is, and they can edit, view, or comment. I'll just put they can view it, show them what it is, and you send it to them. And person, so you share one person, and after that, say if you want to highlight it. Sorry. Copy it. Then you go back to your Google Drive and you create another new one. I'm trying to show you how to post it to Google Docs. You click Google Docs. You could title it and paste it. But see, this is where you pasting it. It's best to paste it with link to Spreadsheet. So if you want to make changes or anything, it does it for you and you can update it. I'm going to show you by example. But first, make sure you click link to Spreadsheet, click paste, and see, it pops up just like that. Told y'all I spelled cheese wrong, so obviously that's wrong. But so it says linkable to table options. But I'm going to show you something. Say if you want to make a change because you accidentally put the wrong age for Ty, and Ty is really 14. You go back to your Excel. Of course, I'm going to change this though. I know I spelled cheese wrong. But say if you want to Ty, you put Ty age wrong. He really was 14. First, you click on it. You put 14. Just click outside of it. You see it changed already, right? Save changes. Then you go back to your document. It didn't change. But by you clicking link to Spreadsheet, you can update it. You click update. And now, voila. Yeah, it's changed. 14. And that's basically how you do it. That is how you use a spreadsheet and transfer it to Google Docs. I hope this help you and have a good day.